activities to teach colors to your 1 to 2 years old toddler. Introduce colorful balls. Teach them how to transfer the balls from one container to another. Ball segregation is the best activity to teach your child colors. For example, pink ball goes to pink color basket. Green ball goes to green color basket. Do the same activity repeatedly on everyday basis. Also, now and then for 5 to 10 minutes, all day long, whenever your child shows interest. Use instructions. Play games with instructions. Your child is increasingly able to follow simple directions and will be so proud of himself when he can do what you ask. This might include throwing the pink ball into the pink basket. Toddlers understand our simple verbal commands very well. Sometimes they refuse to follow our commands. Have patience until you succeed. Don't force. Give time or play the same game later when your child is in good mood. Don't get tired or bored because your encouragement only would help the child to get motivated. Stop the game or switch to new game when you notice your child is not maintaining the same energy. Here is the video. Alan is playing ball segregation when he was 1.5 years old. He is playing this game before he started talking. He learned how to identify and segregate each color. When he started talking one word, he was ready by the time to say the colors. Between 12 to 15 months, toddlers learn a lot about their world by shaking and banging things and putting them together in piles, then knocking them apart. They show much interest in learning new things along with you every day. Let him explore with different sizes. Give him enough time to solve the problem by himself. Thereby, his problem-solving skill would be enhanced. Problem-solving skill is a cognitive process of the brain that searches a solution for a given problem or finds a path to reach a given goal. Let them get familiar with shapes by playing with it. For example, unpacking and packing the shapes. Transferring one place to another. Name the shape which your child is touching each time. Then teach them how to segregate each colors. Teach him about colors, shapes and numbers. Talk about shapes, colors and numbers all day long. For example, that's the round green ball. Let's find your black shirt. Even your child is not yet started talking. Still, he is capable to imitate and follow your comments. Don't underestimate your child or don't just wait until the day he speaks. Early teaching is always best for creating a strong base for your child. Give me triangle. 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 Very good. Okay. Alan. Alan, give me circle. Give me circle. Thank you. Lay the square. Wow. Very good boy, Alan. Very good boy. Okay, give me rectangle. Give me rectangle. Give me rectangle. Wow, very good boy, Alan. Thank you, Alan. Here is the video. Alan is identifying and segregating the shapes. When he was 1.5 years old, he is playing this game before he started talking. So, don't just wait until the day he speaks. At the age of 2, Alan could identify colors and shapes. At the age of 3.5 years, he could able to say colors in Arabic and Spanish languages. You can check the video, the link has been given in the description.
Orange, blue, yellow, green, orange, red, purple, black, red, pink, brown, white, blue, yellow, red, green, yellow, blue, red, S U A R E. Yay! And that's it. R E C D A N T F E. Yay! And that's it. Boo boo. O B A L. Yay! Boo boo. O tiger. T R I N A N E F E. Yay! Tiger. Art. H E F A R T. Yay!
Please like the video and do subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching.